Hey, great day, guys. Now, if you're looking to get into the real estate investment space, but don't want to own property, you probably want to get into the short-term rental arbitrage method. So I just want to go over a couple things that can help set you apart from the competition. So that way you can stay ahead of the game, stay in the business longer, and make more money than everybody else in your market. Okay, so first off, number one is connected to your internet. You need this little device that I like to use. It's on StayFi. Okay, I'll put a link below so that way you guys can get it. So what StayFi allows you to do is collect emails from your customer. Okay, now the downside to putting your properties on, Airbnb or VRBO or Expedia, on any of those things, you don't own those customers. They actually bring you those customers and you don't get their private information. Now, that's cool to a certain degree because they're doing some marketing for you, but that's not cool because you can't actually market to them later when you need to drum up business. So I put that little StayFi device on my Wi-Fi so I can collect their email, name, and phone number so I can market directly to them later on when I'm having them a sale and I want to invite them back to spend money directly with me and not through the apps. Number two is you need to make it easy for them to come in the house. Okay. Now I just had a little lock problem. So I had my maintenance guy come over and figure out this lock problem because I needed to be easy for them to get in. That's the first thing that people see, right? When they walk up to the house, number one, it needs to be aesthetically pleasing, it needs to look good, but they need to be able to get in easy so that way they can have a great first perception of when they walk into your house and they feel safe. So I like to use the August lock. Now the August lock connects directly to Airbnb. So once they book, they'll get their own code. They'll be able to download the August lock app on their phone and they can open the property up from their phone directly when they check in. And August actually changes that code every time there's a new check-in or check-out automatically without you having to do it. Now, but as a backup, I also have a lockbox as well that has a code on it just in case, and if somebody's older, it's not good with apps, or they don't have the latest and greatest technology to download the app, there's also a manual lockbox on it so they can grab the key out of it as well. So at the end of the day, make it easy for your people to get in, especially if they already paid you money. Now, the next thing is, you need to kind of be you. Like it's okay to have a little style. Like don't make it just boring. Throw some pictures up on the wall. Throw in Alexa, throw in some plants. Make it unique so when people get here, they say, oh, well, this is different. I like this. This has some style. Bring some lifestyle to your space and be creative. Like one thing that I learned doing this one is I actually watch videos, creative ways on how to fold towels in different ways. So when people see the towels, it looks cool. It looks different. And they say, wow, they took time into that. And people like little stuff, especially when they're coming here for an experience. Okay. And now last but not least, how should I say, you want it to be home when they're here. When somebody comes to your short-term rental, they chose to come to a house and not a hotel. The benefits of coming to a house for them is number one, they don't have to be around a lot of people. Number two, they probably feel like they can stay longer. Number three, they want some kind of privacy, but also they want a homey feeling, okay? So I have stuff like a coffee maker. I have a grill in the backyard. I have a picnic table. I have flowers in here, right? I already have the apps logged in onto the TV, right? So I already have Disney Plus. I have Hulu and Netflix, and I just didn't get the standard internet. I got the high speed internet. So if they need to do work here, they can feel at home. When people are renting from you on your short-term rental, they want it to feel like home. Use some of these strategies to, number one, outperform the competition. Number two, get more money, over time in your every night stay. But then just have fun with it. It's your business. Don't be boring. Outperform the competition, and I want to see you guys grow. Now, if you guys like this content, like this value, you guys could use this to make more money. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this, and go ahead and like to let the algorithm know, let other people know that this is great information that you can use to go out, take action, and make more money in the rental business today. Okay, have an amazing day. Let's get it. Peace.